गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल सॉफ्टलाइन इंस्टीट्यूट। सो माय नेम इज़ करीना और आज की इस क्लास में हम बात करने वाले हैं द पावर ऑफ स्कार्सिटी एंड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में स्कार्सिटी की जो इल्यूजन है उसकी क्या पावर होती है, एक मार्केटिंग रेलिक पे बात करेंगे। सो स्कार्सिटी मार्केटिंग हैज़ लॉन्ग बीन अ पावरफुल स्ट्रैटेजी ड्राइविंग कंज्यूमर डिमांड बाय लिमिटिंग सप्लाई और टाइम फॉर परचेजेस। Classic examples includes like limited edition products, flash sales, and going out of business promotions that create a rush to buy. So, however, this approach, once highly effective, is now causing consumer mistrust and fatigue. Brand lose an estimated $8.8 billion annually due to what's called scarcity fatigue. So, where customers no longer respond positively to scarcity-driven urgencies. Why scarcity tactics are backfiring? तो scarcity tactics backfiring क्यों होती है? So modern consumers are more informed and skeptical. Studies show that 72% of shoppers check reviews before purchasing, making it harder to fool them with fake scarcity. So this skepticism extends to brand trust. 84% of consumers distrust brands caught manipulating reviews or using deceptive scarcity tactics. So the real-time connectivity of the internet exposes artificial limitations quickly. So what is the case study Fashion Nova? Let's take a case study to understand this topic very smoothly. So there is a case study of Fashion Nova. The fast fashion brand faced FTC charges for falsely advertising rapid shipping times, illustrating how misleading scarcity claims can backfire legally and reputationally. The ethics of artificial limitations. जो आर्टिफिशियल लिमिटेशंस होते हैं उसके एथिक्स की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो सबसे पहले आता है कंज्यूमर एंजाइटी एंड फोमो. आर्टिफिशियल स्कैरसिटी कैपिटलाइजेस ऑन कस्टमर्स फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट. FOMO means fear of missing out, pressuring them into impulsive decisions which can feel explorative. Environmental impact. So this tactic encourages unsustainable consumption patterns, fueling overproduction and subsequent waste, challenging businesses on ecological grounds. Unpositive alternative. Patagonia's Don't Buy This Jacket campaign from 2011 challenged norms by urging customers to reconsider consumption, yet ironically boosted sales 40%, proving thoughtful marketing wins. तो इन्होंने क्या किया, इन्होंने एक मार्केटिंग चलाई कि 40% तक उस मार्केटिंग मतलब उनका ये था कि आप इस जैकेट को बाय मत करो ताकि कस्टमर का अटेंशन आए कि भाई ऐसा इस जैकेट में क्या है. 40% तक ग्रोथ हुई. The rise of scarcity fatigue, burnout from overexposure. Consumers are tired of non-stop sales, flash deals, and limited time offers that flood brands, messaging and dilute value perceptions. Deal hunting culture. This constant chase for promotions promote erratic buying behaviors instead of thoughtful consumption and loyalty. Trust deficit. Only 23% of customers believe brands act with integrity, revealing a stark need for more transparent and ethical marketing. Enter the anti-FOMO movement. Abundance and inclusivity. Moving beyond scarcity, brands now emphasize inclusivity and focus on abundant availability and personal value for all the customers. Transparency and authenticity. Customers expect openness about business practices, with honesty becoming non-negotiable for brand loyalty. Customer well-being. Marketing prioritizes consumers' long-term happening over immediate sales spikes, fostering trust and connection. तो कस्टमर ये उससे डील करता है. अच्छा, हमने एंटी फोमो मूवमेंट के बारे में पढ़ा. अब हम पढ़ेंगे एंटी फोमो प्लेबुक बिल्डिंग ट्रस्ट. सो एम्फेसाइज क्वालिटी एंड ड्यूरेबिलिटी. एंटी फोमो प्लेबुक से क्या होता है, ड्यूरेबिलिटी इंक्रीज होती है, क्वालिटी इंप्रूव होती है. फोकस करते हैं क्रिएटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स दैट लास्ट एंड प्रोवाइड लॉन्ग टर्म वैल्यू, काउंटरैक्टिंग डिस्पोजेबल कंज्यूमर कल्चर. Transparent and supply chains. It's openly share production practices to build consumer confidence and accountability. Community and loyalty. engage customers, those share values, and foster brand communities that feel authentic and inclusive. So, for example, REI's opt outside campaign closed stores on Black Friday, inviting customers to enjoy nature, instead reinforcing commitment to quality over sales frenzy. एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हो गए एंटी फोमो मार्केटिंग के बफर, एवरलैंड, फेयरफोल्ड, डॉक्टर ब्रोथर्स. So transparent pricing and salary sharing create trust through honesty. Radical transparency initiate reveals true cost and sourcing. Commitment to ethical sourcing and repairable design support sustainability. All profits beyond essentials are donated, trying sales to social impact. Moving beyond scarcity. Education and empowerment. Inform consumers to make choices that benefit them long term, not just impulse buys. Personalized experiences. Create meaningful interactions. Turn to customers' needs and preferences. Real solutions. Focus on products that solve real problems and enhance lives. HubSpot examples. Leading with inbound marketing, offering valuable content without urgent. एंड देन फ्यूचर ऑफ मार्केटिंग. अब मार्केटिंग जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है इसका फ्यूचर क्या होगा? डिमांड फॉर जेन्युइन कनेक्शन. हम डिमांड करेंगे जेन्युइन कनेक्शन की. कंज्यूमर्स क्रेव ब्रांड्स दैट अलाइन विद देयर कोर वैल्यूज एंड एंगेज मीनिंगफुली. एंटी फोमो एज अ कोर शिफ्ट, नॉट अ फीलिंग ट्रेंड बट अ फंडामेंटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ड्राइविंग मार्केटिंग एथिक्स. Adaptive brand survival. Companies must evolve to prioritize authenticity to thrive in today's market. Ben and Jerry's example supports social justice causes, strengthening community that oversees urgency. So the key takeaways: embrace abundance, scarcity is losing power, focus on transparency and ethics, build trust and community, serve customers over sales. So these are the ethics, these are the FOMO techniques, these are the FOMO examples which we can implement in our day-to-day life if you are a digital marketer. So I hope you have enjoyed this class. For more such interesting videos, keep following Softline Institute. Thank you so much.